What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. It's right here below me here. Let me just bring it up just briefly here. It is going to be by the company Level8, a 24-inch roller carry-on suitcase. We're super pumped about it. They come in some sweet colors. Again, just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is going to be this link for this exact same roller carry-on bag. So after the video is over, you guys can read more specs about it and even pick one up yourself. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. We're gonna show you all the features, all the compartments, the sweet features. Let's get on into it. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. Alrighty guys, we have opened up the box and the presentation is exactly what I like to see right there. A nice little dust bag that protects the bag in between uses. So let's go ahead and get this guy on out of this big old box, and we'll get it out of this dust bag as well. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put down a little protective area there. I don't wanna scratch my brand new carry-on bag on my nice little vintage chest here. Again, this is the 24 inches, but they do come in different sizes. Again, look in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get this tag on off, and we're gonna go ahead and again show you all the goodies. The handle is going to be aluminum alloy trolley handle, 4 sections, height adjustable with easy pulling and retracting experiences. Smooth and low noise wheels. You're looking at 360-degree flexible and smooth guide. And the case is going to be made out of high-quality polycarbonate material. There is a TSA lock on it. It does have dual handles, one handle here, and then another over here as well that pulls out. And the bag has a lifetime warranty, so you can't beat that one. Inside the little booklet, we'll show you how to go ahead and program your lock, etc. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at it here. We have, again, our TSA lock right here, and our zippers will go ahead and lock into that. You also have a TSA little key right here. Those pop right out when you do that. Your combination code will be right here. Nice quality material. We have a Level8 logo right here. The handles are very nice. That's great material. If your hands are sweating and you're jetting through the airport, if you need to pick that up real quick, our push latch will go ahead and pull out. Right here, our handle, push in, folds right back into place. This particular one is the matte black finish, and I really like that color. Let's get a shot of that logo right there. Very, very cool, with the top of the bag coming down to the wheels. How awesome are those wheels right there? That is really, really cool looking. We do have a nice little couple protective things here if you're going to be setting it down. That side, obviously. If you are going to be using the other handle going this direction, we again have that handle here as well as right here. And what you're hearing my metal thing under here. On this side of the bag, the bottom is going to be no logo at all, just very nice and elegant. Matte black. Let's go ahead and before we do open it on up, let's go ahead and see those 360 spinning wheels. As we're just whipping around here like that. That's really cool. Those, if you don't have 360 spinner wheels, you have to get a bag with 360 spinner wheels. It is so much nicer. All right, with the bag fully opened up, that's really nice. The zippers, again, go from here and here, and so it just folds on up. And we do have nice mesh little areas here and here. Let's go ahead and start with this side here. You open it on up, and you have one compartment here with your little, of course, little gel things there. They always put new products. And this is gonna take up just this section here with ventilation. And this section will be the same exact thing all the way up to the zipper line here. And that again is for something that you need to store in just some little zippered compartments here. But then below that, you're gonna have your compartment down below here. As we fold that open, see again, the zipper portions are just on the area here. And then you do have an area here where you can go ahead and latch in anything you need to be. And then over here, you have a nice compartment that goes down for whatever you are gonna be storing. That again is the depth of the half of the shell of the bag on that side with, again, your strap right there, just a push button clip, and you're all set, ready to go. So that again folds down, zips up, and then you have your different little zippered pockets here and here. Let's go ahead and get in on this side now. This side, we don't have any other zippers besides this one here. That comes down all the way over here and all the way down over here. You do have a nice material all the way around the side. That's actually very, very nice, the design of it. Not to mention the hardware is very cool as well. That is a mesh lined as well, just like the other side, ventilated. And on this side, we have our little clip button here again, and we also have your intimate travel companion insert right here. On this side is the exact same as the other side with a compartment with a depth. The rails are right here and here, but that is going to be the same depth on the sides of the rails, in the middle of the rail of the half shell of the bag here. You can see obviously the rails go down in the bag there. Let's go ahead and get this out and see what this is. This is going to be your 4-piece organizer bag, and we have one large one. This does have a little logo right here, Level 8 logo. And then you open this one on up, and this is going to have a compartment right here. This is one, and they kind of mark it for you there if you want to do like lipstick, a little mirror. Let's go ahead and open it on up. And these do have a little handle right here as well. And then you open it on up, and you have some like little compartments here. You can go ahead and adjust those. You can kind of like put that up and use the Velcro side to side. There's Velcro here and here, and back here, and over here, and over there as well. And so you guys can go ahead and use that. There are 3 pieces in there with a little zippered pocket right there. And then it zips on up with, again, the handle and nothing on the back for lipstick, cosmetics, etc. This one, they're advertising as your plug cord. This one does not have any sort of handle or anything like that, just zipper it all the way around. But as you pop it open, it's actually pretty deep, which is very, very nice for charging cables, etc. Headphones, and very, very nice. And what I like is that these are all Velcro, and you can label them how you want with shirts and socks, shoes here, etc. So what these things actually do is they pull off, and you can switch them around to whatever one you particularly want to advertise at. That's really cool. So they're advertising this particular one for like a wash, so that these are your dirty clothes. That's really cool. And this one, you definitely could roll up some nice shirts, workout clothes. Again, pretty decent depth to it as well for this bag size, very nice. Roll those up. Some dry fit workout tights if you're running in a different city while you're visiting. So your stinky clothes are not gonna stink up the rest of your bag. And then of course, the big one, same thing on this one. You can reattach anything you want. So if you wanted your dirty clothes in this big guy instead, that is gonna be super, super cool. Well guys, overall, a very nice, well-designed bag. I'm actually looking forward to putting this bad boy to use next week. I'll tell you what, very nice. That thing's not gonna break or crack on you, especially it is a carry-on. It's not like you're gonna be stowing this, but just in case if there's no overhead bin and you did have to store it, this is gonna take a nice beating and hold up just fine. Again, in the description box below of the video is gonna be this exact same link for this carry-on bag, 24-inch, and you will also see the other sizes of Level 8 company. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Chris again. Subscribe to the channel and thumbs that up if it's given you an informed decision. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.